going to be continuing my series. Honestly, if you can see my boob through my shirt or my extensions through my head, that's your problem. Because this girl don't care. Today, I am going to be doing buying the cheapest thing on Dolce. Okay, is it Dolce & Gabbana or Dolce & Gabbana? Because literally there's songs that say Dolce & Gabbana and then Fergie says Dolce & Gabbana, Fendi and Madonna, Karen they be sharing, all the money got me wearing flat. So if you guys want to check out my other I Buy the Cheapest Things series, they will all be listed down below. I'm a crazy person. But I was requested to do I'm gonna say Dolce, because I've always said Dolce. Don't come for me, okay? It's both. When I say Dolce, just think she's saying Dolce as well. That's one way to combat the comments. So before oh my god. Okay, don't be like Cheer Bear. And subscribe to my channel and turn the little bell on for notifications. And also if you guys want to follow my social medias, they're here and down below. Now we got the speech out of the way. Let's get started. All right, so when I go on to dolceandgabbana.com, it looks all classy and cute. Those earrings, girl. Easter already passed. Oh my god, the suits. Oh, I want that dress. Alrighty, so they have all of the men, women, children, Discover Beauty watches, but then they have this online store deal right at the bottom here, or back, bottom, end? What the, it's meant to be a big hole there. I don't even know what the hell's wrong with these sweaters. Because we don't care about looking at the items. We want to buy the cheapest item, right? So we're just going to click the online store. And in the online store, there's women, men, children, gifts, and world. So buy world. Okay, women. Okay, their website is super easy to maneuver. This is probably going to be quick to do. So in the women, there are all the categories here, but then they have them condensed off to the side that are clothing, bags, shoes, and accessories. Not small timepieces, large timepieces, accessory bags, wallets, jewelry, smaller jewelry, more expensive jewelry, tortoise jewelry. They don't mess with that. They're like, this is what we sell. So in clothing, is this why you guys wanted me to do this? $3,950 for a blazer. Oh, that dress is so $2,500. Oh, and these are in Canadian prices. I'm Canadian. $3,000 for a dress. Like what? Ooh, fish, trishy fishy, 800. Ugh. I'm like actually obsessed with these items. They're so cute. But I feel like you can go to Forever 21 and get similar items to this for like 20 bucks. Dolce & Gabbana. Okay, let's sort by. Come on. Yes, low to high. The lowest price shirt is literally the one that I wanted on the kids section when I first started this. You guys saw that, like, oh my god. It's $620. But that's there's the cheapest clothing items. Yay! Actually, I wouldn't be mad if we had to buy that because I really like that shirt. That's kind of crazy that their cheapest clothing item is $620. They're obviously confident in their brand. Okay, now we're gonna go to bags. Ow, my thing cracked. Like $3 grand for a bag. $3 grand for a bag. It's no big deal. Let's go down here. Ooh, that one's cute. Yep. Oh, pre-order, girl. Don't even get me started on pre-order. I don't like that word. That's not a good word. Low to high. 1,355. Girl, this isn't looking good. All right, shoes. Ooh, oh, the price and the style. Low to high. So $765 are the cheapest shoes, and they're the ugliest things that I've seen in my life. Like, I think I'm the only one that laughs at my jokes. People are like, those are the cutest. Okay, the last section in women is accessories, and we're not even gonna mess with this now because we're just gonna go low to high because everything's like way too expensive. So it looks like we're gonna be spending a lot of money. The cheapest scarf, $315. What happened? So this isn't even fun for me. This video's not even fun. I'm just mad. Buy the cheapest thing. Spend $300. Ew. Accessories are like a phone case for $425. Men clothing. So men have the same categories. So we're just gonna go low to high on all of those and not even mess. It's $600 for a shirt. Woo! You win big money. Here are the bags. I love that heart one at the back, and these are the cheapest ones. They're actually really cool. I like that style with Dolce & Gabbana. It's very like, some people I think would say tacky, but I like how it's different. It's not just like stripes, just plain stripes, and it's $3 grand. They actually have style. They have character to them, and that's the stuff I like, you know? So I really like that. Even though they're very expensive, I mean, they have every right to have that price. They're Dolce & Gabbana. And these are the lowest price shoes. We feel like that's the same as the women's. It's not like I'm spending $300 on a scarf. We're dandy. Okay, so a printed bandana, $200. That's the cheapest. Wait, hold up. I just covered over men and I see underwear and socks. So I click it, and this is what pops up. But I clicked men clothing, and that's what this is in. It's under the clothing section, so it pops up all the clothing, and I clicked low to high, and the lowest price item was $600. I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking in my head, but you're showing me the low, okay, wait, and that's not even me going low to high, this is me just clicking them. $65 right there, 3 different colors, and then there's 70 right there. Aha! Okay, so Dolce? I don't like that. I don't know, because we've done these a lot and they just show you the whole category and what is the lowest. Let's just continue on and go with accessories. It ain't nothing but a hair flip, right? We already did go to accessories. It was $200. Oh my God, I'm dumb. So children, we have Dolce & Gabbana toys. I'm just gonna click that. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's just one thing. You click shop now. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, they have toys. Oh, why can't this be the cheapest thing? Ah, I'm freaking out. I do like that their website is very easy to maneuver. I just wish that when you clicked the clothing that but you would think that all of the clothing would click, right? Newborn baby girl. Probably gonna be like $20 things, right? Wrong. $225 for leggings. Baby, these aren't like children that are like running around and doing whatever children do. Eating grilled cheese and playing in a sandbox. Baby leggings for $225. And here are the baby boys. It's very like plain and just simple. See, when I click children accessories, because I feel like that'd be the cheapest, it's showing me $145. And those leggings were how much? So I don't know what the heck is wrong, because I feel like that's weird. So the cheapest item are the underwear. That's the cheapest item. Men's underwear again, cool. It's just what I wanted. So we have white, black, and black. Where's that navy? Regardless, it's $65. I think that's expensive for underwear. 65, now it's hitting me. $65 for underwear. For underwear. Auntie. I'm gonna go with the black ones, because on the other ones that I got, men's underwear, they were white. So we're gonna go with black. They're like little briefs. They're really cute. I'm gonna choose a size 3 and add to bag, and I will see you guys when they get here. It's here! My shirt has a stain on it, and it came with the stain. Why'd you buy it, Samantha? Why wouldn't you return it, Samantha? Why wouldn't you wash it, Samantha? I did wash it. The stain is still there. I tried to see if I could return it because I took off the tags and threw away the receipt after I noticed the stain. They said no. And I didn't see the stain when I bought it. Were those the right order? And I'm gonna rock it with the stain, because don't be a lame and rock it with the stain. Can you even see the stain? Why would I point that out if you couldn't even see it? Oh look, how to pronounce Dolce & Gabbana.
Hi everybody, Jacob here. Welcome back to the Fashion Bunker.
Fashion Bunker, he knows.
How to pronounce Italian designers the right way.
Yes,
so let's
I need
get
this.
right to it. Dolce & Gabbana. So let's try to pronounce this correctly.
Okay.
Dolce.
Dolce.
Dolce. Che. It's like when you say chair.
Chair.
Dolce.
Dolce.
Not and. There is no and. In Italian, it's just Gabbana. Double B's.
Gabbana.
It's not Gabbana, Gabbane, Gabbane. It's Gabbana.
Gabbana.
Anna at the end.
Anna. Chair and Anna.
Dolce & Gabbana.
Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce & Gabbana. So it's not and. Chair. This came straight from Italy. I have ordered a bunch of other designers that will be linked down below for my cheapest series. And all of them have come from the States. Except this one is come from straight from Italy. Ooh, look at Dolce & Gabbana. This box is really nice. It's got a magnet. And if you guys are digging this makeup look, I just did a tutorial on this, and I will leave that link down below as well if you guys want to see and why I'm wearing this. There's a reason. Okay, so it comes like this. It has black tissue paper. Oh my, look at this envelope. It says Dolce & Gabbana. It has all my like shipping and information. I think every designer so far has done this. And then it's got this little package here, which is wrapped in tissue paper, and these are stickers. Oh my God, they wrapped it like it was a present. Christmas! Here are the underwear. Oh my, this is the softest thing I've felt ever. Oh, that says extra small USA. Why is it such a oh, these little clips. I was like, why is it so hard to open? Oh my god, what is that? Sealed tea. We're not sure why that's a thing. Here's the tag, and it's got this here that used to be on my TY Beanie Baby, so I'm excited about that. A very long tag, and then this tag that has the D&G as well, and this with a booklet in case you wanted to read about your fantastically expensive undies. And here are the undies. They are very soft. This isn't just a Walmart thing with Dolce Gabbana placed on top of it. I can tell that this is like genuine Italian quality. What? Wash in water 30 degrees. Line dry in the shade. I have to dry clean. I'm not dry cleaning underwear, girl. I'm just throwing these in the wash and then hoping for the best. Hey, we can make these work. So we're gonna pretend that I've got like shorts on or bathing suit bottoms so people don't get freaked out. But this is what the band looks like. They do actually fit me well. That on the back. Okay, so I do have another pair of men's designer underwear and I prefer these ones. I'm just gonna treat these as like short shorts at home, not outside. Could you imagine wearing underwear just as underwear? I'm just treating these as short shorts. Do not wear underwear out without something over top of them. And make sure to invest in some underwear that you like. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys want to give this a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!